this is Ovil and you are watching Be a Book Lover. Friends, today I'm gonna talk about the most anticipated self-empowering book by Jay Shetty entitled Think Like a Monk. I hope you all know him very well because he is a British blogger, author, former monk, motivational speaker and entrepreneur. He has appeared on the Ellen DeGeneres show A Little Late with Lily Singh and the Today Show to discuss mental health and life purpose. He was included on Forbes 30 Under 30 Europe in 2017. He was recognized on the National Geographic Chasing Genius Council 2017 and the Asian Media Awards 2016 Best Blog. He has been featured on the BBC and has spoken to audiences at Google, Nasdaq, HSBC and Barclays. He was the recipient of awards at the 2016 ITV Asian Media Awards and the 2018 Streamy Awards. In April 2019, he was honored with the Outstanding Achievement Online Award at the Asian Awards and in May 2019 won Best in Health and Wellness at the 11th Saudi Awards. In 2020, Shetty released the book Think Like a Monk through Simon & Schuster. In this book, he is frequently referring to the Bhagavad Gita, which means Song of God, which is considered a kind of universal and timeless life manual. In this book, one of his goals is to help us connect with its timeless wisdom, along other ancient techniques which were the basis of his education as a monk, and which have significant relevance to the challenges we all face today. Throughout this book, he has explained how monk wisdom can largely be supported by science and why for millennia monks have believed that meditation and mindfulness are beneficial, gratitude is good for us, and service makes us happier. In this book, he has shared his takeaways from the life he had lived and what he had learned. This book is completely non-sectarian. It's not some snaky conversation strategy, and he is promising about these strategies that if we engage with and practice the material he presented, we will find real meaning, passion and purpose in our life. He is saying that fame, money, glamour, sex, in the end, none of these things can satisfy us well. Simply seek more and more, a circuit that leads to frustration, disillusion, dissatisfaction, unhappiness and exhaustion. In this book, he is drawing a contrast between the monk mindset and what is often referred to as the monkey mind, and says that our minds can either elevate us or pull us down. Today, we all struggle with overthinking, procrastination, and anxiety as a result of indulging the monkey mind. The monkey mind switches aimlessly from thought to thought, challenge to challenge without really solving anything. But we can elevate to the monk mindset by digging down to the root of what we want and creating actionable steps for growth. The monk mindset lifts us out of confusion and distraction and helps us find clarity, meaning, and direction. Thinking like a monk possesses another way of viewing and approaching life, a way of rebellion, detachment, rediscovery, purpose, focus, discipline, and service. The goal of monk thinking is a life free of ego, envy, lust, anxiety, anger, bitterness, and baggage. He is saying that adopting the monk mindset is necessary. We have no other choice to find calm, stillness, and peace. In this book, he tried to show us the monk way, that how they go to the root of things, deep into self-examination. He says that it's only through curiosity, thought, effort, and revelation that monks find their way to peace, calm, and purpose using the wisdom. In this book, he is sharing with us the methods how to adopt the monk mindset through 3 strategies. In the first stage, he is sharing with us the methods to strip ourselves from the external influences, eternal obstacles, and fear that hold us back, and he is saying that we can think of this as a cleansing that will make space for growth. In the second stage, he is sharing with us the methods which will help us reshape our life so that we can make decisions with intention, purpose, and confidence. And in the third stage, he is sharing with us the methods to look to the world beyond ourselves, expanding and sharing our sense of gratitude, deepening our relationships, share our gifts and love with others, and discover the true joy and surprising benefits of service. In this book, he is also introducing 3 very different types of meditation that he recommends including in our practices: breathwork, visualization, and sound. to find stillness and balance, to calm ourselves, visualizing for psychological benefits, to heal the past and the prepare for the future, to connect with our deepest self and the universe for real purification. In conclusion, I want to say that in this book, he is saying to focus to change our mindset rather than changing our lifestyle. He is saying to think like a monk rather than live like a monk. And in my opinion, the wisdom of this book is completely universal and timeless and applicable to each and every single one of us. Because this book shares practices and techniques that anyone and everyone can put into practice, as said by Chastity itself. Guys, I hope you like this video. Please like, share, and comment below. And if you have not subscribed yet, please do it just now. That's it for today. Thank you. See you soon.